On several occasions, I've seen a lot of people saying, I have phobia for this, I have phobia for that, I have fear for this, I have fear for that. Come on, stop abusing the word fear and phobia. Do you know there's a difference between fear and phobia? Good day everyone and welcome back to Nurse's Lecturing YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the definition of fear and also the definition of phobia, and I'm still going to be sharing with you the difference between fear and phobia, and I'm still going to be sharing with you some common phobia that you think you know of and you are not aware. Sometimes you feel they are not in existence, but yes, they are in existence. But before we go into details in today's class, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For our returning subscribers, I say thank you. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be talking about fear and anxiety, so you don't abuse any and so you don't mistake fear for anxiety. And I'm going to be starting first of all with the definition. What is fear? Fear is a common emotion experienced by everyone. It's a common emotion experienced by everyone. So as far as you are a human being, you are already at risk of experiencing fear. So fear is a common emotion experienced by everyone. Then the other thing is phobia. What is phobia? Phobia is an anxiety disorder. So for you that's saying I'm having phobia, know that phobia is an anxiety disorder which is diagnosed in some people. So that's the difference, one of the difference between fear and phobia. Then another difference is that fear, it is vital for survival, and it's usually triggered when there is danger. There is real danger. That's when fear is triggered. It is vital for survival. It is triggered when there is real danger. For example, there is lion here now. I'll be scared and I'll run away. So it's real. There's a real danger in front of me coming to attack me. So I'll run away. So it's necessary. Fear is necessary for survival. You get, but for phobia, it impairs a person's functioning and it's caused by threats. You just see this thing and you're scared of it, but it's not going to harm you, but you just perceive it. It's a perceived threat. It doesn't harm, but you perceive that, oh, this thing is harmful, so you run away from it. So that is phobia. Fear is what? Fear is vital for survival and it is triggered by real danger. But in phobia will impair your functioning and it is triggered by perceived threats. Then the other difference between fear and phobia: fear is characterized by nervousness, anxiety, discomfort, and distress. There is what? Nervousness, anxiety, discomfort, and distress. You will agree with me that when you are scared, you are nervous, you are anxious, you are in distress, you are discomfort, you are in a discomfort state when you are scared. But when you talk about phobia, this person can stop breathing all of a sudden. Like started having this person can just start like you understand? Like phobia, there can be shortness of breath, there can be nausea and vomiting, there can be dizziness, there can be diarrhea. Some people will start peeing on themselves because of what? Because of phobia. You can see the difference. In fear now, there is nervousness, there is anxiety. But in phobia, there can be shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, diarrhea. You can see the difference between phobia and fear, so you don't interchange them or misuse them. Then also, fear does not require any medical attention. You get, but phobia require medical therapeutic attention. You have to see a doctor so that the doctor will know how to use a particular therapy to work on you. It could be conversation. There are different ways in which phobia can be cured. Like when I was in the psychiatric posting, I can remember my lecturer then explained like different ways in which phobia can be caused, in the sense that if you are scared of a particular thing, for example, you are scared of dogs, they'll put you inside that place where you have plenty dogs. You get, but that method is not advisable for those that are hypertensive because they will just die. The video is not ending because I said I'm going to be sharing with you different types of phobia. The first one I have is glossophobia. Glossophobia. Guess what that? That's the fear of public speaking. You are scared of speaking publicly. When you see the crowd, you're like, oh my god, I have to hide my face. So that's glossophobia. We have gynophobia from gyne. Gyne is women. For the men that are scared of women, you have gynophobia. The sight of women, you know what I'm saying? That's gynophobia. Then we have hemophobia. Hemophobia is the fear of blood. Then we have latrophobia. Latrophobia is the fear of doctors. Kai. So there's something like that. Okay. So there's latrophobia. Latrophobia is the fear of doctors. We have oh god, why am I forgetting this one? Lepidopterophobia. I'm gonna drop the spelling. Fear of butterflies, like fear of butterflies. We have a monophobia. Monophobia is the fear of being alone. You're always like, oh, I don't want. You always want somebody around you. You're always scared of being alone. That's monophobia. But anyone you don't get the pronunciation correctly, I'm going to spell it so you get it. Then you have Nosocomephobia, which is fear of hospitals. Like I said, I'm dropping the spelling. Then we have numerophobia, numbers, fear of numbers. This one shocked me. Seriously, I was really surprised. Then we have Nyctophobia, which is fear of darkness. We have Ombrophobia, which is fear of rain. We have Ophidiophobia, fear of snake. Ophidiophobia. I think I have that one. I have fear of snakes. Then we have Panophobia, which is the fear of terrible things will happen. You're always like, something will happen, something bad will happen. Fear of terrible things. So we have Pedophobia, which is fear of doors. We have Philophobia. All those people that are scared of love. Fear of love is Philophobia. So if you are scared of love, just know that you have Philophobia and you have to see a therapist. I'm serious. I'm not joking. You have to see a therapist. Then we have Phobophobia. Guess what's the meaning of that? Phobophobia, the fear of fear. Again, it's funny, but like it exists. So I was surprised when I saw it. Phobophobia is the fear of fear. Then we have photophobia. Photophobia is the fear of light. Yeah, photophobia is the fear of light. We have podophobia. Podophobia is the fear of feet. We have a pognophobia. You are scared of bears. Scared of bears. That's pognophobia. The one that shocked me more again is Achievemephobia. See the spelling there. Fear of Sussex. Can somebody just be scared of Sussex? Like you just picture yourself being big and like, oh, I'm scared. Start breathing. Fear of Sussex. Achievemephobia. Then we have Acrophobia, fear of heights. You are fear of heights. That's Acrophobia. We have Aerophobia. Aerophobia is fear of flying. You are fear of entering the plane. I think was I having aerophobia? No. I was not, well, I was scared of it, but I was not having aerophobia. Then I think there's a Anglophobia. Sorry, I had to position the camera properly. We have Anglophobia, fear of pain, and we also have Agoraphobia, which is fear of open or crowd. So I've listed a lot of phobia for you, so you can check Google. If you have any phobia you want to share with me, please drop it in the comment section, please. I want to learn. Then you can also search a lot of phobias according to the alphabetically, on Google, and you're going to get a lot of phobias from Google. You get, so you can check Google for all the phobias. Any phobia you think you are having, just search Google. You are going to see a name for it. Okay, that is that for the phobia. I hope this video help you understand the different types of phobia and also the differences between phobia and fear, so we don't end up interchanging these words or using them carelessly, like saying phobia, like saying fear. We should know what we are really saying, and if sincerely you are having phobia, it is advisable you see a therapist so they can provide therapeutic solution for that, because like I earlier said, phobia disorganizes you. You get, you are just scared of the unknown. There's nothing there, but you are just scared. You are perceiving that it's a threat to your life, it's a threat or something, and it's not really a threat. So that's why it's good to see a therapist. So not everybody that are visiting the psychiatrist are having schizophrenia. That's the normal madness we see. So some are having some anxiety disorder, some are having post-traumatic stress disorder, some are involved in drug abuse. So there are a lot of things why you need to see a psychiatrist. You don't need to go mad on the street before you see a psychiatrist. Those things can hinder your productivity and make you not to function well in the society. So that is why when you know that what I am actually doing is not really normal to me, you've read about it, and you see the best solution is to see a psychiatrist, don't hesitate to do same. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. I am humbled. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all the nursing students out there that are not part of our classes on Telegram, sincerely, you're missing a lot. Like, seriously, you're missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen, so you can have access to all our voice notes and also enjoy our classes already prepared for you. We have more than 99% success rate, and every year we have more than 1,000 students we prepare for the nursing and midwifery council exam. So if you are in Nigeria and you are an African and you have not have access to nurses lecture room, something is wrong. Send us a message right away. All right, bye. See you in my next video.